How are you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I've got something that everybody should have at least one. And it doesn't necessarily have to be this one, but this is a good one. That is an emergency radio. Oh, I can't believe what's happening in weather. This past year, we had 2 hurricanes go right past our house. Luckily, we only lost a tree, didn't fall on the house, so everything was okay. Those poor people out in California, the fires out there, oh my gosh, lose everything. Their house is just gone. Oh, I don't know if I could deal with that. And earthquakes. There's been a big earthquake I think in Asia. Wow. And now Texas is getting ready for a major snowstorm. So you need an emergency radio. Emergency radio gives you communications to the outside world when everything else fails. Your cell phone fails, your whatever phone, house phone fails. That's what emergency radio is for. It has multiple sources of power. This is, and I won't try to pronounce it. There's the name right there. I've gotten quite a few radios from this company, and they've all been really nice radios. And this was a good one. I kind of rushed doing this video, and unfortunately didn't rush enough. I just got this radio yesterday on sale. It's normally $18, about $18. And I got it on sale for, I think, $14. And the sale's over already, so I didn't get the video up in time for you to get on the sale. But at $18, this is well worth it. And it's a model ZWS-900. And it comes in 2 forms. It comes in weatherband, AM, and FM. And the other one is shortwave, AM, and FM. I think I'll get the shortwave one too and see how it does, because this one does a fantastic job. No tuning dial. Everything's done with buttons. This is the power and the sleep timer. This is the light. It has NOAA weather and NOAA weather alerts. Another function you need. Can be charged with this crank, solar, or via a USB port. Uses an 18650 battery, 2000 milliamp hour. Has a carrying strap. I'll show you that right now. Let me move this out of the way. Let me open the box and show you what else it comes with. Comes with a carabiner and a carrying strap, which of course is removable. Well, actually it's not installed, which I like because I don't like those. I don't like to fool with those. There's the manual, and it's got everything you need in this manual. And it's all bigger. It's all in easy to read English. That is a big plus for me. It has band scan, including automatic tuning and storing. It has a conflict here in when it's talking about memory. In one place it says it will store 30 stations, and then down here it says each band can store up to 32 stations. So 30, 32, I don't know. Got a sleep function. Did I mention that? What else? Okay. Also comes with charging cable. Now this works both ways. This plugs into the radio, and this plugs into your adapter, AC adapter to USB. And then you can plug this into another connector and use the battery that's in this thing to charge, say, your cell phone. Also, you can charge it with this little solar panel. Now, I typically these solar panels are not that great, so I'm not even going to test it. There's the battery compartment. There's the battery. It uses a non-button battery. See if I can get this out for you. See, it has no button on the end of it. That's a difference that you have to be careful. Now, I said to myself, okay, I got plenty of 18650 batteries, so I got spares. Well, I don't. I only have maybe one that's a non-button battery. They changed that battery to non-button for safety reasons. Anyway, so power on, nice, not big, right, bright display. I'm on the FM band right now. You can go to the weather band. There's AM, which is US AM. I don't think there's any way to change it to international.
Water's rough.
There it is.
Showers likely. Wednesday, northeast winds 20 to 25 knots. Seas 4 to 6 feet, occasionally to 8 feet.
I was able to get, doing the scan, I was able to find 3 of the 7 weather stations, which is the maximum I can receive at my location, even with an outside antenna. So that's pretty good, pretty sensitive. We can do a band ATS band scan by pushing and hold this. And there it goes, P1, they're storing them away. See how many it finds. If it finds more than 20, it's doing a great job. There's your battery indicator over here. There's 20, 21, 25, 27, 28, 29, 30. It found 30 and it stopped. Maybe it's really only able to store 30, so maybe it didn't finish the scan. It ran out of memory locations. No, a little directional too. No, that's music. What am I doing staying on music? Oh, you dummy. Okay, tune. Okay, that's manually tuning. I want to memo, they call it, tune. Nope. Okay, how do I memo tune? Thought I knew how. Get away from the music. Okay, how do I memo tune? Yeah, memo tune. Well, anyway, you should be able to go through the stations it found. But I don't recall how to do that. Because I was, like I say, I was in kind of a hurry trying to get this video up before it went off sale. But even at $18, it's a great buy. Like I said, solar charging, which these little panels usually don't do a very good job. Hand crank, I will do my hand crank charging test. And what I do is I completely discharge the battery, then I crank for a continuous 1 minute, rest my hand, crank for another minute, rest my hand. I do that till I have accumulated 5 minutes of cranking, turn the radio on, and see how long it plays. That's why I'll do that test to see how much power is in that battery. Because that's important. And the question is also how much you have to crank it to be able to use it for, at least a couple of minutes to get the latest weather conditions and latest news. Pretty cool. I think I'm going to put this in my Amazon store. The link to my Amazon store is in the description below. Each of my videos, I get a small commission. It's just a web page on Amazon. It's Amazon. I don't have any inventory or anything. It's Amazon. Prices are all Amazon prices. I don't change the prices or anything like that. And I get a small commission. It is now a very small commission, but it helps so I can buy radios like this to show you. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.